Hi, I am Ravi from EC department. Today we are talking about temperature measurement. Definition: temperature is the degree of sensible heat or cold expressed in terms of a specific scale. Body temperature: it is a marker of endocrine, metabolic, or muscular activity, the response of the body to heat or cold in the environment, or the presence of the infection or inflammation among other illnesses. It is one of the visual things. Normal body temperature. Body temperature is usually measured by a thermometer placed in the mouth, the rectum, or the auditory canal for tympanic member temperature. The normal oral temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. I mean 98.6 Fahrenheit. Temperature measurement. Oral temperature. Oral temperature is measured by placing the clean thermometer under the tongue with mouth closed for a period of 1 minute. Prior to measurement, no oral feeds for 15 minutes. Wash the thermometer with antiseptic solution. Mercury in the thermometer is gently shaken down. Axillary temperature. The temperature obtained by placing a thermometer in the apex of the axilla with arm pressed closely to the side of the body for time recorded by the manufacturer of thermometer. The temperature obtained by this method is usually 0.5 degree to 1.5 degree Fahrenheit for lower than oral. Rectangle temperature. The temperature obtained by the inserting a thermometer into the anal canal to a depth of at least 3.8 cm and holding it in place for 3 to 5 minutes. A rectangle temperature is more accurate than either oral or axillary temperature. Tympanic temperature. The temperature obtained by placing an electronic probe in the ear canal. Such a reading measures the temperature in the capillary bed of the tympanic membrane and is generally reflective of the core temperature. Core temperature. The temperature of structures deep within the body as opposed to peripheral temperature such as that the skin. Inverse temperature. A condition in which the body temperature is higher in the morning than in the evening. Hypothermia. Hypothermia exists when the body's normal thermal regulatory mechanisms are unable to maintain heat in a cold environment and core temperature falls below 35 degrees Celsius. Infants are susceptible to hypothermia because of their poor thermoregulations and high body surface area to weight ratio. More rarely, hypothermia is secondary to glucocorticoid insufficiency, stroke, hepatic failure, or hypoglycemia. Thank you.